Dear friends, welcome to Culinary Hub. In continuation of our culinary journey of bringing exotic dishes from different countries, today we present chicken rice in Thai style. Please subscribe to our channel and hit on the bell icon for further notifications. We upload new videos every Saturday, and for the details about the ingredients, please check the description section. First, I'll heat up water in a pot. To that, I'll add thick slices of ginger and one onion which I have quartered. Then in goes 2 to 3 coriander roots, few stalks of green onion, few stalks of coriander leaves, 2 cloves of garlic and 2 stalks of lemongrass which I have bashed. Then in goes few white peppercorns and a little amount of whole coriander seeds. Then I'll add the large pieces of chicken to it. Then I'll add a good amount of chicken broth which I prepared at home. Then I'll add salt. To make the broth more rich with chicken flavor, I have few chicken wings which I'll add it. Put the lid on and cook thoroughly for 20 minutes. Now let me check whether the chicken is cooked by taking out the pieces. It is soft and the chicken is cooked thoroughly. Whatever broth I have been boiling, I'll strain and use for cooking rice. In another pot, I'll start extracting little amount of chicken fat. To this, I'll add little amount of chopped garlic and jasmine rice which I have washed. Mix it gently and then I'll add the water in which I have boiled the chicken and the other herbs and cook till the rice is done and our rice has been cooked perfectly. For the sauce, I'll take little amount of ginger, few cloves of garlic, then a little amount of coriander root, 1 green chilli and grind it coarsely. To this I'll be adding fermented bean paste and mix it. Transfer it to a bowl. Then add little amount of light soya sauce. Then a little amount of chopped green chilies and a little amount of red chilies as well. I'll mix it and dilute this with water before serving. And our chicken rice platter is ready to relish. Please click the like button, subscribe to our channel and hit on the bell icon for latest updates. Thank you.